Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel ABC to KBC. Here I brought for you 100 MCQ questions within less than 20 minutes. So without wasting any time, let's start today's video. Which is the national drink of India? Answer: tea. Which is the national food of India? Answer: khichdi. Which is the national sport of India? Answer: hockey. Which is the national sweet of India? Answer: jalebi. Which is the national dance of India? Answer: Bharatnatyam. Which is the national calendar of India? Answer: all of the above. Which is the national music instrument of India? Answer: veena. Which is the national song of India? Answer: Vande Mataram. Which is the national bird of India? Answer: peacock. Which is the national animal of India? Answer: tiger. Which state of India has never been slave of British? Answer: Goa. What was the name of Hindi speaking robot? Answer: Reshma. What was the original name of Birbal? Answer: Mahesh Das. Bihu is the folk dance of which state? Answer: Assam. Which language is mostly spoken in India? Answer: Hindi. How many spokes in Ashoka Chakra? Answer: 24. One who believes in God is called what? Answer: theist. Who was the first president of Gadar Party? Answer: Sohan Singh. Who was given the keys of Golden Temple? Answer: Dr. Kichlu. When was Jallianwala Bagh massacre occurred? Answer: 1919. Who composed the song Pagdi Sambhal Jatta? Answer: Banke Dayal. Which ship was opposed to enter into India in 1914? Answer: Kamagata Maru. Whose tomb is Bibi Ka Muqabbara? Answer: wife of Aurangzeb. Which country has Taklamakan Desert? Answer: China. Which continent has no desert? Answer: Europe. What is the scientific name of humans? Answer: Homo sapiens. Which country has the oldest democracy in the world? Answer: UK. What is the oldest written language in the world? Answer: Sumerian. Which is the oldest city of the world? Answer: Damascus. Which country has the oldest anthem in the world? Answer: Japan. Which country has the oldest parliament in the world? Answer: Iceland. Which is the oldest search engine of the internet? Answer: web crawler. How many bones does human body has? Answer: 206. How many muscles does human body has? Answer: 639. Which is the largest gland of human body? Answer: liver. Which is the largest organ of human body? Answer: skin. Which is the largest cell of human body? Answer: egg cell. Which is the smallest cell of human body? Answer: male sperm. Which is the largest bone of human body? Answer: femur. Which is the smallest bone of human body? Answer: stapes. Ascorbic acid is contained in which fruit? Answer: apple. Citric acid is contained in which fruit? Answer: all of the above. Lactic acid is contained in which food? Answer: milk. Oxalic acid is contained in which vegetable? Answer: onion. Capric acid is contained in which drink? Answer: coconut. Which type of vitamin we get from the sun? Answer: vitamin D. What is the SI unit of force? Answer: Newton. What is the SI unit of temperature? Answer: Kelvin. Which gas is used in refrigerator for cooling water? Answer: ammonia. Which light is most important for photosynthesis? Answer: red. Who was the first Viceroy of India? Answer: Lord Canning. Who was the first Viceroy of India? Answer: Lord Canning. Who was the last Viceroy of India? Answer: Mountbatten. Mediterranean Sea is connected with the Atlantic Ocean by which line? Answer: Gibraltar. Where is the headquarters of BRICS? Answer: China. Where is the headquarters of World Bank? Answer: Washington. Where is the headquarters of International Court of Justice? The Hague. Quinine is used in treatment of which disease? Answer: malaria. Who invented first human artificial heart? Answer William J. Hoff. Which of these is used for treating cancer? Answer Radium. When is celebrated World Blood Donor Day every year? Answer 14 June. Swine flu is caused by which of these? Answer H1N1. What is the normal temperature of human body? Answer both A and B. Which country has the shortest written constitution in the world? Answer Monaco. Panama Canal connects which two seas? Answer Atlantic Ocean and Pacific Ocean. Where is located the permanent secretariat of SAARC? Answer Kathmandu. Which country is called the land of morning calm? Answer Korea. Which country is called the land of rising sun? Answer Japan. Which country is called the land of sunsets? Answer Norway. What is the biography of Nelson Mandela? Answer Higher Than Hopes. What was the first president of India? Answer Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Which is the largest planet? Answer Jupiter. Which is the smallest planet? Answer Mercury. Which is the lightest planet? Answer Mercury. Which is the most colorful planet? Answer Earth. Which is the only planet with life? Answer Earth. Which planet is called the morning and evening star? Answer Venus. Which planet has rings? Answer Saturn. Who is the author of War and Peace? Answer Leo Tolstoy. Who was the first US president to visit India? Answer Eisenhower. Who was the first Indian to receive Bharat Ratna award? Answer all of the above. Who was the first woman to receive Bharat Ratna award? Answer Indira Gandhi. Who was the first woman singer to receive Bharat Ratna award? Answer M.S. Subbulakshmi. Which continent is called the Dark Continent? Answer Africa. Which continent is called the White Continent? Answer Antarctica. Which country is called the sugar bowl of world? Answer Cuba. Who wrote Ramcharitmanas? Answer Tulsidas. Who wrote Fatwa al-Alamgiri? Answer Aurangzeb. Which continent is called the Old World? Answer Europe. Which is the largest landlocked country in the world? Answer Kazakhstan. Which continent has maximum landlocked countries? Answer Europe. How many countries are landlocked in the world? Answer 44. Which country has no river? Answer Vatican City. Which country has no police? Answer Palau. Which country has no jail? Answer Netherlands. Which country has no temple? Answer Saudi Arabia. Which country has triangle-shaped flag? Answer Nepal. What is the unit of light year? Answer distance. Name the first satellite sent into space. Answer Sputnik. Who discovered penicillin? Answer Alexander Fleming. Who discovered vaccine? Answer Edward Jenner.